Introducing the powerful integration between Gong and KrispCall. Integrating these two platforms is easy. Follow these simple steps. Simply log into your KrispCall account. Click on Settings and select Integrations. From the list of available integrations, select Gong and click on the Connect button. Enter the Gong email address you want to integrate and hit Submit. A new window will appear asking you to allow or deny the integration of Gong in KrispCall. Click on Allow, and that's it. KrispCall integration with Gong is successful. Now, all the call logs, call recordings, and voicemails are automatically synchronized, ensuring seamless data management. To unlock the full potential of this integration, install the KrispCall Dialer extension in your browser. To install the Dialer extension, go to your KrispCall dashboard. Under Download Apps, select Chrome extension and then Add to Browser. It will redirect you to the KrispCall Dialer download page. Now click on Add to Chrome. Once the dialer is added, sign in with your KrispCall credentials. Now, in Gong, whenever you want to call a contact, select a contact from the Gong. Click the KrispCall dialer icon. The number will be pre-populated in the KrispCall dialer, saving you time for manual dialing. You can choose any of your numbers from KrispCall Workspace to make the call. Now click on the green call icon. Plus, all your call recordings are automatically saved in Gong for future reference. Additionally, missed calls with voicemails are also synced, ensuring you never miss a beat. So don't wait any longer. Empower your sales team with this winning combo. Empower your sales team with improved call management, powerful call analytics and insights, increased sales efficiency and productivity, more deals closed with valuable customer data at your fingertips. Take your sales calls to the next level. Integrate KrispCall and Gong today. Contact our chat support for more information